I have a confession. I'm pretty anal about organization in our house. In every single room except for the garage. We've lived in this house for over 2 years and I just keep ignoring all the clutter in the garage every time I walk by it. And we shoved a bunch of random stuff up in the attic, but it's really hard to get up there. So I came across a shelf on TikTok Shop and it looked perfect for the space that we had in our garage. I'm 5'4", so you can see it's really tall. Each shelf can hold up to 400 pounds, so it has a total capacity of 2,000 pounds. Once I got it put together, I called my wife out to help me move it into place, and this is her telling me that I put together the whole thing incorrectly and we have to redo it. Luckily though, all the pieces just slide into place. There's not like 1,052,000 gazillion screws, so we just popped off each piece and flipped it around. Once we finally got it put together correctly, we moved it back into place, put the shelves on, and it was time to go up into the dreaded attic. There's not many things that I don't like about being married to a woman, but this is one of them. This attic is not made for women to open it. It is so heavy and so hard to get open. So mark my words, this will be the last time that I open this attic until we have to change the air filter. Once we pulled everything down from the attic, we started organizing the shelves and we were able to get everything into a new home, which was so amazing. If you want to check the shelf out for yourself, it's linked at the bottom of this video. Happy organizing!